Hi, this is Li Wei. Today is November 13th, 2018, and I'm going to show you the Amazon Alexa skill for Malwarebytes Cloud. I'm actually projecting my iPad onto the computer for recording. So Alexa is the voice assistant, and most typically it is actually used with Amazon Echo devices, but it's also possible to use them from mobile devices as I'm doing right now. So I'm logging into the account. Let me just show you an example. I apologize that you cannot see my finger as I touch on the iPad. The main one I'm going to press on today is the one at the bottom center, which is the blue circle, and that means talking to Alexa. Alexa, what is the weather like in Santa Clara, California?
California at 63 degrees Fahrenheit
By the way, I
with cloudy
noticed that
skies.
there is a
Today,
delay
you can
in the
expect hazy
dictation
sunshine
that
with
probably
a
has to
high
do
of
with the
68
connection.
degrees and a low of 41 degrees.
As I was saying, there's a little bit of a delay when the dictation starts. I think it has to do with the connection from my iPad to the computer. So there are literally thousands and thousands of skills available on the App Store. And the one that we're going to look for today is called Malwarebytes. More specifically, Malwarebytes Cloud, which is the name of the application. I actually noticed that there's a previous one, the second one on the list that says Malwarebytes News. Somebody else in Europe had actually created that. The one I'm introducing today is the first one that says Malwarebytes Cloud. The way it works is this particular skill requires linking, meaning connecting to the Malwarebytes Cloud Nebula server. So I'm going to click on Enable to connect that. I'm just going to use my LastPass with one of the accounts that have been saved. So by linking them, now all my commands will be directed to the specific account that I have set up, that I have in Nebula. So the three main intents that have been created are the ones listed on the screen. You can actually see them. It says summary report, the first one on the left, account information, and detection report. I'll just show some examples. I'm going to press on the blue circle. Ask Malwarebytes Cloud for account information.
The name of your Malwarebytes account is Malwarebytes SE Tenant. Your account is linked using email lwei@malwarebytes.com. There are currently 50 endpoints being managed. There are 34 administrative user accounts. The product Endpoint Protection and Response is licensed for 500 seats. It is scheduled to expire on June 15, 2020.
Obviously, all these things is real-time connecting using the API. Let's try another one that says summary report. Ask Malwarebytes Cloud for summary report.
With the detection history, there is a total of 2,211 detections. The largest number of detections are potentially unwanted programs. There are 1,209, which is 55% of the detections. The next largest number of detections are malwares, where there are 676 representing 31%. Rounding up.
And so on and so forth. The last intent is actually quite interesting. It's the one that says detection report because it actually accepts different durations. So I can literally say in the last 1 hour, minutes, days, weeks, and years, and so on. So let's try one. Ask Malwarebytes Cloud for detection report in the last 48 hours.
Report for the last 2 days. There is a total of 6 detections within this period. The largest number of detections are ransomwares. There are 6, which is 100% of the detections.
I guess that's all I'm going to show today. Thank you for watching. My plan and hope is that we will add additional intents as we march along this journey. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.